Multiply 5 and 1/3 times 2/5. Whenever I multiply a mixed number to a regular fraction, I want to turn that mixed number into an improper fraction first. How do I do that? We'll take that whole number of 5 that lives out in front and multiply it to the denominator of 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Take that 15 and add it to the numerator, which is 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So now this becomes 16 over 3. Drop down 2 over 5. Okay, that guy doesn't change. Now, when multiplying two fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 16 times 2 is 32. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, 32 over 15 is an improper fraction. I want to turn this back into a mixed number. So I'm going to see how many times 15 goes into 32. Well, 15 goes into 32 two whole times. 2 times 15 is 30. And now we subtract. 32 minus 30 is 2. With no more numbers to drop down, that purple 2 is our remainder. So how do I turn that into a mixed number? Well, this 2 that we got here, the quotient, is going to be the whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 2 is going to be our numerator, and the old denominator of 15 isn't going to change. So this stays over 15. So our final answer is 2 and 2/15.